In this video, we'll do a quick review of exponent laws. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. So, for starters, our very first exponent law usually is called product of powers. So if we have x to the m times x to the n, so as long as we have same base and we're multiplying them, we can add the exponents. So in this case, we have x to the m plus n. And following naturally from that would be if we have division with same bases, well, we would then subtract the exponents. We just have to be very careful with the order. Top one always goes first. And we subtract the bottom from it. So m minus n. Our next exponent law would be power of a power. So if I have x to the m all to the power of n, well, in this case I multiply the exponents. If we have a negative exponent, well, I can rewrite that as a fraction with a positive exponent. So we essentially make the reciprocal and then change the power on the x to be positive. If we have a zero exponent, so anything to the zero power is always 1. And then a couple of kind of bonus ones here. If we have a product, so if we have x to the m times y to the n to the power of, let's call it z, I can essentially distribute this z in to be x to the power of m times z, y to the power of n times z. So just kind of a distribution thing. Similarly, if it's a quotient, if you have x to the m over y to the n to the power of z, well, then you can write that as x to the mz divided by y to the nz. And those are kind of some basic exponent laws to get us started. Just a quick review. A lot of them very powerful results in mathematics, very useful. And there's a quick review for you.